How to create and fill forms dropdowns and list box. Open your PDF in UPDF and click on Tools, then select Forms. In the top toolbar, choose Dropdown. Drag the drop-down field to the desired location, then double-click it to open the toolbar. You can give the drop-down a name and add a tooltip. This text will appear when the form filler's cursor hovers over the field. Set the visibility of the drop-down content. Under Items, input option labels and, if needed, export values. Click plus Add Item to insert them. Repeat the process for each additional option. To set a default selection, click on the desired item in the items list. Sort items alphabetically by checking Sort Items, or manually reorder by clicking the three-dot icon next to each item and selecting Move Up or Move Down. To allow users to enter custom text, check the Allow User to Enter Custom Text option. Enable spell check to verify user's input. Select Commit Selected Value immediately to apply the chosen value without the user having to click outside the field. Under Style, change the border color, background color, text color, font style, size, and adjust the drop-down size. You can also apply formatting and add a calculation formula if needed. If your PDF form needs to list all options and allow responders to select one or more options, the list box is ideal. Click the list box option in the top toolbar and place it in your desired location. Double-click to open the property panel. Similar to the drop-down, input item labels and export values, then click plus Add Item to add options. Here, you can choose to sort the options alphabetically, allow respondents to select multiple options, and enable the Commit Selected Value immediately setting to apply selections instantly. Under Style, customize the appearance by changing the border color, background color, text color, font style, font size, and adjust the size of the field.